Hello and welcome dear students to the Notebook Plus और एक सेशन MCQ का ऑन द टॉपिक कॉल्ड ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट। इस पे आज हम बात करने वाले हैं और कुछ MCQs आपके प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं विच आर इमेंसली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम फॉर योर एग्जाम JKSSB फीमेल सुपरवाइज़र। नंबर 1 आपके लिए गिवन है। एडवाइस टू द स्टूडेंट्स इज आप क्वेश्चन खुद देख लें, ऑप्शंस देख लें, गेट ट्राई करें गेस करने की करेक्ट और अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन। मैं भी आपके साथ साथ पढ़ लेता हूँ, आपके लिए रीड करता हूँ। नंबर 1 इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रेफर्स टू quantitative increase in dimensions like heat, weight, and size? Is it maturation, or is it growth, is it development, or is it differentiation? Dear students, the quantitative increase in dimensions like heat, like height, weight, and size is called growth. So option B is your correct or appropriate answer. Number 2, the development of schemes through coordination of senses and motor abilities occurs during which stage of cognitive development as per Pigot's theory? Right? It asks you the development of scheme through coordination of senses and motor abilities, which occurs during which stage of cognitive development as per Pigot's theory? During pre-operational sensory motor, formal operation और concrete operational? कौन से स्टेज के दौरान cognitive development as per Pigot's theory होती है? Dear students, it is the sensory motors stage of cognitive development as per Pigot's theory. नंबर 3 आपका जो क्वेश्चन है फ्रेम किया गया है विच आस्क्स यू विच डेवलपमेंट स्टेज इज एसोसिएटेड विद द इमर्जेंस ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेक्शुअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ड्यू टू हार्मोनल चेंज ड्यूरिंग एडोलसेंस? The options are middle childhood, late childhood, puberty, or conception. The answer is puberty, dear students, and this should not be any problem for you to guess this option. Number 4 for you is attachment styles formed in infancy tends to dash dash. What it tends to? It tends to change drastically over time, having no long-term effects, remain relatively unchanged over the lifespan, predict peer relationship patterns. The students' attachment styles formed in infancy state tends to remain relatively unchanged. Tends to remain relatively unchanged over lifespan. This is the highlighted option is answer to your question number 4. Number 5, dear students, which factor plays a significant role in determining individual differences in growth patterns and development trajectories? Let me read it again for you. Which factors play a significant role in determining individual differences in growth patterns and developmental trajectories? Is it physical activity levels, socio-economic stats, genetic inheritance, or access to healthcare? The students, the correct option answer to your question number 5 is genetic inheritance, which plays a significant role in determining individuals' differences in growth patterns and development trajectories. Number 6 for you is prolonged exposure to which of the following during childhood may impede developmental gains? Stimulating learning environments, chronic stress enriching extracurricular activities, or the option D, positive parenting techniques? The students, prolonged exposure to chronic stress during childhood may impede development gains. नंबर 7 आपका जो सवाल फ्रेम किया गया है एज पर एरिक्सन्स थ्योरी द psychosocial crisis occurs in adolescence is trust versus mistrust, authority versus shame, identity versus role confusion, intimacy versus isolation. आपने ये बताना है. It is the identity versus role confusion due to which psychosocial crisis occur in adolescence. Number 8 आपका which method is commonly used to assess pubertal development using standard criteria for physical change? The options are anthropometric measurement, Tanner staging, stagging, or developmental screening tools, or intelligence testing. Dear students, the method commonly used to assess pubertal development using standard criteria is Tanner स्टेजिंग। नंबर 9 आपका environment influences which aspect of physical growth? Weight only, height only, rate of motor maturation, or genetic potential. Their students environment influences uh, rate of motor maturation aspect of physical growth. Number 10 of the Diviner Development Screening Test DDST is an example of self-report measure of psychosocial functioning, tool to assess attachment relationship, developmental screening tool, or standardized intelligence test. The Denver DDST, dear students, is an example of developmental screening tool. Similarly, number 11 for you is who proposed the four stages of cognitive development, including sensory motor, pre operational, concrete operational, and former operational. Erickson, Vygotsky, Piaget, or Kohlberg, which among the following has proposed the four stages of cognitive development, including the stages are given. The students, ये हमारे पिगेट सर हैं who has proposed these four stages of cognitive development. Number 12, the quality of attachment relationships in infancy influences which aspect of later development? Option A, physical growth, cognitive ability, socio emotional development, और moral reasoning. आपने इनमें से बता देना है कि जो quality of attachment relationship in infancy stage है which aspect of later development जो है वो आपने बता देनी है. Dear students, it is the socio emotional development which is the quality of attachment relationships in attachment relationships in infancy, which influences the aspect of later development. Number 13 for you is what underlines adolescents increased desire for independence and peer acceptance? Pubertal change, 1 brain development, 2 rise in conformity, 3 role confusion. इनमें से कौन आपका adolescents की जो increased desire होती है for independence and peer acceptance वो आपने बता देना है. Dear students, it is pubertal change which increases desire for independence and peer acceptance due to it occurs due to pubertal change. Number 14 आपका फ्रेम क्वेश्चन किया गया है विच डेवलपमेंटल स्टेज डज मिडल स्कूल चाइल्डहुड फॉल अंडर इन पिगेट्स थ्योरी? सेंसरी मोटर, प्री ऑपरेशनल, कंक्रीट ऑपरेशनल और फॉर्मल ऑपरेशनल. वो आपने बता देना है कि कौन सा डेवलपमेंट स्टेज मिडल स्कूल जो मिडल चाइल्डहुड है उसमें फॉल होता है अंडर इन पिगेट्स थ्योरी. वो आपने डियर स्टूडेंट्स बता देना. इट इज़ डियर स्टूडेंट्स concrete operational stage which under which middle childhood falls. Number 15 आपका the epigenetic principle proposed by Erikson states that जो आपका epigenetic principle है proposed by Erikson that states each stage emerges from and build upon previous stage. This is the principle proposed by Erikson. ये आपने याद रखना है and the highlighted option is answer to your question number 15 also. Number 16, dear students, which of the following is an anthropometric measurement used to assess physical growth? Is it blood pressure, intelligence quotient, weight, or attachment style? Dear students, an anthropometric measurement used to assess physical growth is weight. And which ये आपका आंसर भी है to your question number 16. Number 17 आपका फ्रेम किया गया है which developmental screening tool relies on parent reported information about developmental milestone in young children? ठीक है, वो आपने बता देना है. Dear students, it is age and stages questionnaire. Age and stages questionnaire, which is a tool or which relies on parent reported information about developmental milestone in young children. Number 18, as per Bronfenbrenner's ecological model, which layer refers to cultural belief and values, microsystem, exosystem, macrosystem, or chronosystem. The correct option is macro system. As per Bronfenbrenner's ecological model, the layer which refers to the cultural belief and values is macro system. Crystallized number 19 आपका crystallized intelligence characterized by accumulated knowledge and verbal skill tends to. Dear students, it tends to remain relatively stable with age. What? Crystallized intelligence, which is characterized by accumulated knowledge and verbal skills. Number 20, 5 is the back depression inventory is an example of. ये किसकी एग्जाम्पल है वो आपने बता देनी है. Dear students, it is example of self-report measure of psychosocial functioning. This was a set of 20 questions on the topic called growth and development, dear students.